So I'm taking the burgers to, this week on the trip. So I'm going to take some adobo. And I'm going to take some smoked paprika. And I'm going to take some Slap Ya Mama. What I usually do when I take stuff, like whether it's anything on my trip, like my deodorants and shampoos and soaps, I always put them in a Ziploc bag because you just never know what's going to happen. And I don't want stuff like getting out on my clothes. So anyway, I'm going to take some umami. So anyway, so I'm going to have all these in my suitcase with my burgers. Oh, salt. Well, I've got those little miniature salts. Hang on, I'll show you. This is what they look like. I bought a pack of 6 a couple years ago. And I just refill them. But I keep a couple in my purse. So I'll have them in my purse along with me. I had my protein coffee for breakfast. And now I'm having, it's a 1040-ish. And this is the pork and vegetables, the Normandy vegetables. So I must put just some plain old salt on it. I'm going to put on some Greek seasoning. And I'm going to put on some garlic herb seasoning. My mouth ain't ready for something spicy, so that's as exciting as it gets. Nothing big, like no Slap Your Mama or nothing like that. I'm just not, the mouth ain't awake enough for that. So, yeah, this is going to be my brunch today. So vegetables and pork loin. There you go. Here's a close-up of it. Ta-da! All right, supper. I have 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I have 2 servings of Parmesan, the grated Parmesan. I have about 4 ounces of little baby shrimp. And then 7 ounces of the real thinly sliced steak that I cooked up last weekend. That is my supper tonight. I'm going to put some salt on it. Hang on, I'm going for the big holes. So salt. And I'm going to use some of these roasted garlic. And a little bit of this garlic herb. That one. All right, that's what I'm having for supper. See you tomorrow. There's my total for the day. Have a good night, everybody.